Welcome to this Rise Tek tutorial. Rise Tek Incorporated is an authorized Hans laser dealer. In this video, we'll walk through the Hans LaserNest part editing process step by step. Part editing. Double-click a part in the list on the left to open the part editing interface. Add the required process features to the part. After configuring the process, click OK. The process is applied to every instance of that part on all sheets. After clearing the process, double-click the part on a sheet to open part editing. Add a process to the part, select Modify only this instance, and click OK. Only that specific part instance is modified. Double-click the part again to open part editing. Select Apply to Current Sheet and click OK. All instances of that part on the current sheet are modified. Double-click a part on a sheet and select Apply to All Sheets. All instances of that part on every sheet are modified. Double-click a part on a sheet, add a process, and select Differentiate by Angle. The process is applied only to parts with the same orientation angle. Double-click a part on a sheet and select Differentiate by Mirroring. Mirrored instances of that part will not be modified.